So like I promised, I am here with another makeup tutorial using a Colourpop palette. This one is the California Love palette. I told you guys that my boyfriend surprised me with this one. He picked this one out himself, and he's been dying for me to do a video on it. So here I am, and I cannot wait to try this one out. It's so up my alley. It's just absolutely stunning. As you guys can see, it's very warm tone shades, totally up my alley. Golds, browns, just perfect for me. And I cannot wait to test this out for you guys. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. As you guys see, I already have my eyelids and my eyebrows already done like I always do. In this video, I'm going to be also doing my foundation and all that off camera, because this time I'm going to be filming another video right after I'm done doing the eyes on this one. I'm going to be reviewing the Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. So yes, if you guys want to see that video, I'm pretty sure this one will be up before that one. But either or, I'll leave it down below for you guys if you want to see the new Pat McGrath foundation review. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started on the eyes. Taking this shade right here called Sequoia. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but it's a nice orange kind of transitional color. Like usual, I'm going to speed through this process so the video is not 1,000 years long. So going in with my Morphe M573 brush, the same brush we used in my last video. I love this brush. And I'm taking that orangey shade. Oh, it looks so pretty. Tapping it off and just applying that directly into my crease. So I really like that color. It blended really seamlessly. I'm just going in with the Morphe M504 brush with no color and just blending that out a little bit extra. Wow, I really like that shade. I'm going to keep building it up because when I apply the other shades, I really want you to be able to see that shade. So just taking it and keep building it up and blending it. Going back in with that brush to blend it out. I really like this shade a lot. I'll definitely be using it. Just on like an everyday basis, it's so pretty. Next, going into the shade Gold Rush. Taking it on a Morphe M506 brush, the pointed pencil brush. I'm taking that color and applying it on the outer edge and only halfway into my crease, not as much as we did that other shade. With a clean, fluffy brush to blend it out. Wow, these blend so nicely. I never have any Colourpop palettes, so this is just so amazing. And for the price, it's like insane. Like some of my high-end ones don't even like blend out this easily. It's crazy. Going back in with that first orangey shade, and just applying it above, I really, like I said earlier, want to make sure this shade really is peeking through. Now taking this dark brown shade, with that same pencil brush, I'm applying this on the outer corner only, and applying it a little bit into that crease. This is really going to add some definition. And I'm also going to bring it along the lash line a little bit to make it a little smoky. clean, fluffy brush to blend everything out. Taking this shimmer shade called El Captain. Taking that on my finger. Yes, that is gorgeous. Taking a flat brush with that shade just to really get in there. Taking that pencil brush with no additional color and just making sure they really mesh. And then just going back and forth with them two brushes, the one with the shimmer shade and then the one we use for the outer corner, just to really make sure it all blends. I'm impressed at myself. Like, I love this so incredibly much. I hope I don't look like a total mess, but wow. Whoa. What? Going in with that brush used with the orange shade just to make sure there's no shimmer like in the crease. Wow. Babe, shouting you out. This is like, yes. So I think we're done for now. I'm going to go in with some eyeliner, going back in with the MAC one, of course. I'm doing a small line. Obsessed. Literally obsessed. Going into this nude shade right here for our brow bone highlight. Now I'm just going to pop on some mascara using the Marc Jacob mascara. Okay guys, so that is it right now for the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do my next video on the review of the Pat McGrath, finish my face, and then we'll come back and do the eyes. Guys, I finished my face. It may look a little light because, like I said, I'm testing out a new Pat McGrath foundation. So again, if you guys want to see that, I'll leave it down below. But the color is a little off, but don't mind that. So now we're going to be finishing up the eyes. So basically just doing the same thing we did on the top. Going in with that orange shade and applying it from inner to outer corner. I really want this color to pop through. Going in with that pencil brush and applying that red shade from the outer corner. And then taking that dark brown shade and adding it to the outer edge. Taking the shade Cruisin' and applying that to my inner corner. Little bit on the brow bone. And lastly, going back in with that mascara to the bottom lashes. And that is it for the eyes. I am really, really loving this palette. It's one of my favorites. I've never had an eye look that I love so much. Like, it's literally gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this palette, so I highly recommend getting this. Now finishing up the face and applying a lip. I applied this one in my last video. It's the NYX Extreme Shine Lip Cream in the shade Skin Tone. It just goes with everything. I love it. And that is it for this look right here. I am living for this palette. He did such a good job picking it out for me. I'm obsessed with it. The colors are just so amazing. You have shades for every day. You have shades for a nice glam look. And I don't want to take this off. It's like 11 o'clock at night again. I do not want to take this off. So yeah, I am loving this look so much. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Again, I'm doing a foundation review, so I'll leave that down below for you guys as well if you guys want to check that out, as well as the video I did on the Colourpop all yellow eyeshadow palette. I'll leave that down below as well. But yes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!